It's Little Red Riding Hood. Hello? Oh, hi, Grandmama. Oh dear, you're not feeling very well. Red Riding Hood's mother warns her to stay on the path and not to talk to strangers. Into the woods, into the woods. Oh! Why don't we play a game? Grandmama's night dress. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. All the better to see you with. All the better to hug you with. All the better to eat you with. A karate crane pose. Lifting up one knee, reaching up with our arms. He is ready to attack. But right before he does, Grandmama leaps out of the cupboard, all washed down with a wonderful cup of tea. Namaste. On the Cosmic Kids app, all our yoga and mindfulness videos are ad-free. Sign up at app.cosmickids.com or go to the Apple or Google Play Store and get 2 weeks free today.